The bipartisan dialogue, a dialogue between the Azimio la Umoja and the current Kenya Kwanza regime, which took place yesterday at the Bomas of Kenya, where the two sides were supposed to find a solution to the ongoing struggles between the opposition and the current government led by President William Ruto. Now, these are the few things that Kalonzo Musyoka, the leader of the Azimio la Umoja bipartisan team, and Kimani Ichugwah of the Kenya Kwanza bipartisan team agreed on in their first meeting. On Wednesday, August 9th, National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichugwah and Wiper Leader Kalonzo Musyoka achieved progress on the inaugural day of the bipartisan negotiations conducted at the Bomas of Kenya. The administrations and opposition leaders, namely Azimio, have reached a mutual agreement to initiate official discussions on the upcoming Monday. Kalonzo also stated that the bipartisan team has also endorsed and mandated the development of a comprehensive framework to govern the negotiations. There are issues that require discussions during the upcoming two days. Kalonzo expressed the belief that it would be beneficial for the technical team to convene by the end of this week and produce the required documentation in order to commence operations promptly on the following Monday. The team additionally reached a consensus to abstain from disclosing the substance of the conversations to the general public. Kalonzo and Ichugwah reached a mutual agreement to enforce discipline within their respective functions and prevent the unauthorized disclosure of confidential papers to the media. It has been mutually decided that the committee members shall refrain from engaging in discussions pertaining exclusively to the progress of their negotiations during the next weekend. Ichugwah, who holds the position of Member of Parliament of Kikuyu, affirmed that a secretariat who would be established and afterwards given to both the National Assembly and the Senate no later than Monday, August 14th. The composition of the bipartisan team will consist of the negotiating parties, the secretarians, and the technical staff. Ichugwah, who arrived at the meeting, sternly asserted that our secretarian services will be supplemented by technical teams, supported each of our teams. The Member of Parliament, who was included in President William Ruto's delegation on his initial visit to Mount Kenya, delegated the task of representation at Bomas of Kenya to Embu Governor Cecil Mbarire. Kalonzo and his opponent nevertheless refrained from diverging the specific topics that will be addressed. Currently, it is anticipated that the two functions will discuss several key issues, including the exorbitant cost of living, the scrutiny of the 2022 presidential election results, the restructuring of the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission (IEBC), the establishment of the official leader of the opposition position, and the integration of the Prime Minister's office. The Kenya Kwanza bipartisan team refers to a collaborative group in Kenya that aims to foster cooperation and inclusivity across political parties. The aforementioned individuals include MP Kimani Ichugwah, Senate Majority Leader Aaron Cheruiyot, Embu Governor Cecil Mbarire, Yala MP Hassan Omar, and the Bungoma Women Representative Catherine Wabilianga. The 25th anniversary of the August 7th blast at the Oasis witnessed the presence of Azimio leaders, namely Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka na Kenya's Martha Karua, DAP's Eugene Wamalwa. However, it should be noted that Kenya Kwanza has not yet finalized the selection of its technical committee members. The Azimio bipartisan team is a group that aims to foster collaboration and cooperation across political parties. The individuals mentioned in the list are former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, National Assembly Minority Leader Opiyo Wandayi, DAP Party Leader Eugene Wamalwa, Nyamira Senator Okongo Omogeni, and Malindi MP Amina Munyanzi. The legal and technical staff of Azimio yet to be disclosed will be headed by Jeremiah Kioni, the Secretary General of Jubilee. These are among the headlining topics of the day. This is FM Update Show with your number one political analyst in town, Felix Mwanda. Subscribe.